Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. I-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ishaye i-Manchester United lapho ekore khona bothulani Touch Mabaso noHlongwane, right? But confusion enkulu ukuthi why ama-details angekho online kuma-official platforms izinto ezinjalo. I-Manchester United isikhumbula ukuthi i-team enkulu, i-brand yakhona i-team enkulu. So they realize ukuthi badlala ne-team yase-Africa or yase-South Africa and abafuni ukuthainta noma ukungcolisa igama labo. Heading to the match, benze i-agreement ne-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi during the match or a few days after the match, asazi ukuthi bazobavumela na ukuthi bakhiphe wonke ama-details ezi-Kaizer Chiefs. Maybe after yonke ithour bazowakhipha ama-details asazi. But i-Manchester United ibatshelile ukuthi bangakhipha ama-details wale match le because closed door, behind closed doors, izinto ezinjalo. Bangasebenzisi naney'thombe ze-Kaizer Chiefs versus Manchester United because of ama-image rights. Why bekubalulekile ukuthi i-Manchester United ifihle nama-details lawo? Because i-Manchester United i-under 21 isquad sakhona bafethu siwetha close to ama-teams waku-PSL. Imagine, chaza ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs in terms of like i-market value i-Kaizer Chiefs ye-DDC team Manchester United maybe 10 times bigger than in terms of i-value ne-worth because of i-player elilodwa le-Manchester United elidura kunawo wonke laphana ka-under 20 bafethu lingathenga ama-team awu-2 waku-Betway Premiership i-player elilodwa, meaning that labantu laba ama-under 21 e-Manchester United ba-professional, bahola iy'mali ezi-right, bahamba ngemoto ezi-right abafana, so they could not afford ukuthi during that time match khishwe wonke ama-details kuma-official platforms ukuthi i-Chiefs ishaye i-Manchester kwasha kwacima. No, they could not afford that, so they would let that thing slide or lie low. Maybe i-Chiefs izokhipha ama-details later on asazi kuma-official pages wabo. But-ke I can confirm i-Kaizer Chiefs ishayile i-Manchester United. Ile nto le bengikhuluma ngayo ukuthi kusho ukuthi kubafana abancane there's something esinayo, but-ke siyayiluza mekuziwa kuma-senior teams because of asikwazi uku-catch up. So abaqhubeka abafana badlale kahle laphana e-UK. I'm sure bababonile amanye ama-scouts or amanye amalokhu njani ama-coaches walapha eNgilandi because of ukuthi uma udlala under 21 ku-Manchester United uhola better than abanye abadlali abaningi baku-PSL bafowethu, abaningi. Because I was watching iplayer la ku-Manchester United lele ngilisho ukuthi liyadura, close to i-worth yakhe bafethu is close to 100 million mawufuna ukulithenga masiletha kuma-rand, but kumfana is still a teenager but uwetha leyo mali leyo. So ama-salaries wabo mahle kakhulu ku-under 21, bona ba-professional ngenye indlela bafethu. That is so they cannot afford ukuvele nje bathi ashawe i-team yase-Africa or yase-South Africa. But congratulations to abafana be-Kaizer Chiefs abalidwa uThulane Touch Mabaso. Umfana uyawabonisa ama-good leadership skills. Sithemba ukuthi abafana abaningi bazoba-promota laphana, bayeka ukuthengana nama-players abangawadingi because khona ama-players abangawadingi ngapha bane-factory e-right e-produce ama-world class players, cabanga. So can't wait ukubona abafana bebuya. Sobona during the season ukubona ukuthi uThulane sombona athola i-opportunity. In fact akusuthulane kuphela bafethu, yazi labantu laba baningi bafethu, yabo baningi kakhulu bafethu. Cause yeah, ngifuna ukuya kule nto le bafethu. Madoda, yes, labafana laba Manchester United laba abancane bafethu, cabanga laba abancane imali abayiholayo mayiza kuma-randi over 10 million ngonyaka. Abanye abafana abahola iy'mali eyi-serious. Lo ngikhuluma ngaye ngicela ukulisha igama lakhe ukuthi nimbheke ni-research if nicabanga ukuthi nginamanga bafethu lo muntu lo. Uchido Obi, ngicela ukuliphinda, Uchido Obi udlala laphana ku-under 21. Salary yakhe over 10 million rands, close to 20 million mayiza kuma-South African rands sesiyi-convert, right? Nabanye abo-Ethan Whitley bahola kahle kakhulu bafethu laphana ku-Manchester United. Laba abadlali aba-serious kabi. And lo mdlali lona u-Obi wakhona bafethu ngicela ukuspela ilo ukuthi abantu mabayisearch bambheke. Igama lakhe nani? CHIDO and then isibongo sakho Obi, OBI. Uye-ke one of the highest paid players laphana ku-under 21, meaning that there is no reason ukuthi i-Chiefs ishaya abafana abadlala abahola ama-salaries anje abakafiki naku-professional. But-ke njengoba bengishilo ukuthi kufana nokuthi abafana bakhona baku-professional bafethu they abahola ngakhona. Imagine imali engaka abafana abancane. kumnandi bafowethu. Le Ngilandi, hhayi kumnandi angikaze mina ngayibona into enje, kumnandi ngendlela emangalisayo noma emangazayo. Yeah, sibonile-ke okay, obvious I will mention this thing, disappointment yokuthi abafana be-Chiefs bangafiki laphana kulokhunjani kuBafana Bafana, not even a single person. But-ke abafana abancane, I believe abafana abancane abafana nabo McCarthy, nabo Thulan Tashi Mabaso, nomunye ubani, uMalefu, those guys, oMokoena, Manqoba Ozomena, I think good player. But what I realize ngaye ukuthi I don't know if ukudlalela i-Chiefs nanokuthi uke wathola i-hype kakhulu is getting to his head, because of i-work rate yakhe kwesinye isikhathi i-questionable. That is why kwesinye isikhathi umbono angaqali nama-game laphana ku-D_D_C team, but it's one of the most promising players ku-D_D_C team as a whole. So that's questionable kakhulu bafowethu. But yeah, they have good players. BoSifiso, banoSifiso Timba, even nalaphana i-back four yabo strong ngendlela emangalisayo bafowethu, noma emangazayo, wayithi strong ngendlela. Yeah, they have a team, a powerful team. Siyamba ukuthi abafana bazowathola ama-chance. Even no-goalkeeper bakhona, ubani, uMokoena noTakalani, you could see ukuthi i-competition laphana i-tight ngempela. Them traveling babukele i-Manchester United izolo laphana edlala is it i-Leeds or beyidlala nani? No, beyidlala ne-Leeds United. Yeah, I think beyidlala no, i-Manchester City beyidlala ne-Leeds. Yes, ne-Manchester United bayibukelile, i-Manchester United beyidlala ne-West Ham, and then i-Manchester City le abaqala ukuyibukela day before, iyo le beyidlala ne-Leeds. So babukela ama-matches laphana, got close to their heroes, babukela live e-stadium. Imagine labantu badlala ngabo ku-PlayStation, all of a sudden uyababukela. I think lento le ukuthi bakwazi ukukhompyutha no-Manchester United abafana abancane, it shows ukuthi abafana abaningi laphana ku-D_D_C team ye-Kaizer Chiefs mabangathathwa manje baye laphana e-England or ku-European football baba-develop for the next 2 years, bazokwazi nabo ukudevelopha to the highest level, ukuthi bakwazi ukudlala kuma-league afana nabo-English Premier League, bakwazi ukurepresenta ibhola lase-South Africa, balibuyisele back to phezulu la o-Lucas Radebe balibeka khona, oFortune, okay, even uMbulelo Mabizela ngokuthi wadlalela i-Tottenham, but-ke siyazi ukuthi isikhathi sakhe was short lived, besisifishane laphana ku-Tottenham. Omunye uBongani Khumalo is the last player ukuya direct ku-English Premier League esuka ku-South African football direct to Tottenham, I remember, because of i-Tottenham beyine-deal ne-SuperSport United that time, but azange adlale kakhulu. Bagcine bamlona le nale. Yeah, maningi ama-struggles abhekana nawo, but ngicela ukuyibamba lana bafethu. Congrats to abafana be-Kaizer Chiefs. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.